To schedule an appointment with the Tutoring Center, all you have to do is follow a few simple steps. Start in Lion's Den and follow the link to our Commons website. From there, you can click on the link to Academia, which is where you'll schedule your appointment. To begin, log into Lion's Den. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you see the section that says Quick Links. Click on the link that says Tutoring Center. This will take you to our website. Here, you can also find schedules, resources, and additional information about the services we offer. Click the link provided to schedule an appointment. You can make your appointment on the home page here in Academia. To get to this page directly, you can also type raritanval.academia.net and log in. Start by clicking the New Appointment button and following the prompts. First, select Tutoring from the list of available centers. Then, read through the guidelines for making an appointment. This will help you get the most out of your tutoring session. When you're done, you can hit Close. Next, choose the class you'd like to get help with. You'll see a list of days and times the tutors are available for that subject. Pick a slot that works for you. And finally, confirm the details for your appointment and you're all set. Be sure to check your student email for a confirmation and a link to the Zoom session where you'll meet your tutor when it's time.